Hey there, gearheads. Welcome to my channel. The spark plug is considered one of the most important components of the engine. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and crucial for your engine's health: why you might find engine oil on your spark plugs. Finding oil on your spark plugs is more than just a messy surprise, it's a sign that something's not quite right under the hood. But don't worry, we are here to break down the common causes and what you can do about it. Let's get started. Causes of engine oil on spark plugs. 1. Worn valve cover gaskets. First up, let's talk about the valve cover gasket. This gasket seals the top of the engine and prevents oil from leaking out. Over time, this gasket can become brittle and crack due to exposure to heat and pressure. When it fails, oil leaks out and can seep into the spark plug wells. 2. Faulty O-ring seals. Next, let's discuss the O-ring seals. These small but mighty components sit around the spark plug tubes and keep oil out. Just like the valve cover gasket, they can wear out over time. If one of these O-rings fails, oil can leak into the spark plug tube, causing misfires and other issues. 3. Worn piston rings. Piston rings form a seal between the piston and the cylinder wall. Over time, piston rings can wear out due to high temperatures, friction, and constant movement. If they wear out, oil can bypass the rings and enter the combustion chamber, where it can then reach the spark plugs. This is a more serious issue and usually requires a professional mechanic to address. 4. Damaged cylinder head. The cylinder head is a critical component that sits on top of the engine block and contains the combustion chambers, valves, and spark plug wells. If the cylinder head becomes cracked or warped due to overheating, mechanical stress, or manufacturing defects, it can lead to oil leaks. 5. Damaged head gasket. The head gasket sits between the cylinder head and the engine block, sealing the combustion chambers and the oil and coolant passages. If the head gasket fails, oil can leak into areas where it shouldn't be, such as the combustion chamber or the spark plug wells. 6. Overfilling engine oil. When the engine oil is overfilled, the excess oil can lead to increased pressure in the crankcase. The increased pressure and foaming can push oil past the piston rings into the combustion chamber. When this happens, the oil can coat the spark plugs. 7. Bad PCV valve. Finally, let's talk about the PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation valve helps to regulate pressure and remove blow-by gases from the engine. If it gets clogged or fails, it can cause excessive pressure buildup, forcing oil into places it shouldn't be, like your spark plugs. So, there you have it. Oil on your spark plugs can be caused by several different issues, from a simple gasket replacement to more serious engine repairs. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to keeping your engine running smoothly. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more automotive tips and tricks. And don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update.